In this video, we're going to talk about the main reason why you can't center your spin. Wait, is that what I want to say? No. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most common problems that make people unable to center their spin. And what that problem is they go into it on their entrance edge, and as they're holding it, they just say, okay, whatever, I'm going to start the spin now. And they can't center it because they have too much momentum traveling in one direction like this. If I glide and I haven't made the edge deep enough and I try and pull in, I'm just going to turn and just keep traveling across the ice. So that is the main reason that goes wrong with it, the main thing that goes wrong with it. How do we correct it? Well, we can start along a line. We're going to start same side leading, left arm to left foot, right arm back. I'm going to push, and I want to stay and practice holding my outside edge as deep as I possibly can before hitting the hook and starting the spin. If you can successfully hold the outside edge nice and long like this, hold, turn and then spin, your spin will be much more centered than if you start exactly the same way, bend, push, and I start my spin like this. And I can't get the job done. So that's one thing we have to be careful of. The next thing is you have to make sure you stay disciplined with this side back right here. As I push into it and I hold this side back, I now have something that as I hit the hook, I can bring it round and generate the speed like this. If, for whatever reason, I bring this side round too early, I don't have much to generate the momentum with. I do push and I let the leg and the arm wander here and I try and spin. I don't have as much to slam around and make that speed happen. So, step one, hold this position, hold, hit the hook, and then we can bring the side round and speed up a lot more than if I go more straight. And it's going to help if I keep this position disciplined and don't start wandering before I hit my hook. And then I only have this much to pull in. This is like a slice of pizza, let's say. This is my full pizza around me. This is a slice. But if I stay here, I've got a whole half of a pizza to slam around and get speed. That's why we want to hold it till the last second like that. So this is just one tip that's going to help you center your spins. Now, if you would like to learn even more about spins, head over to our website. We have videos covering everything you need to know to center your spins and become very proficient at spinning. If you have any questions about what I've covered in this video, let me know in the comments down below. And as I should also add, don't forget to like, comment, share, all the other things people love to tell you on YouTube and you probably get sick of hearing.